Well, hello, Mrs. O'Brien's class. So we're going to try art this way when we're at home, where I will do a video on a Google slide presentation, which you're on right now, that your parents either have, or I guess with your class, Mrs. O'Brien has Google Classroom for you guys. So we'll work on that. I guess you guys are going to be a little different. But we got to actually meet in art class before we had our break. So we've already done, learned a little bit about Pablo Picasso, but there was a few of you that were not in class that day. So we're going to do a little bit of review, a little bit of catch up for some of you. And the way that this slide works is if you don't need to do a slide because you were here on that day, you get to skip over it. So how this is going to work is this is a Google slide presentation, and I've made videos kind of for each slide. When I'm done with the video or done with the lesson or done with the steps, done with whatever it happens to be, and the video is done, you're going to use the space bar or you're going to use the down arrow to move into or onto the next step, the next lesson, whatever, for art class. Your entire Pablo Picasso project is going to be on this one slide presentation. And I will continue to add slides every week for what you are going to be responsible for doing week to week. So at the end of the slides, what I have for you guys right now is what you're responsible for week 1 at home for art class. And then next week, you're going to open up this slide presentation again, and I will have more slides that I will add with more videos that you guys will continue to go through. They'll get shorter and shorter because it's just basically introduction of welcome to art class this week, and these are the steps you need to do. I'm going to actually be drawing for you also using my document camera. So we're going to act like we're just in class with the directions I've been giving you. So again, to move through the slide presentation, you're going to either push the space bar or the down arrow. And if you go too far and you miss a slide, just use the up arrow to go back. I have all the videos ready to go that when you go to a new slide, the video just starts all by itself. When the video is done, hit the space bar again or the down arrow to move through art class. So I think you guys can all start the presentation by yourself. If not, your parents can get you started and show you how to do it the first time. Other than that, you're going to be kind of your own learning for art, where I give you the directions here on a video, and then you'll work on it for that week. Doesn't have to be that day, but then by the end of the week, you need to be done to whatever step I gave you. So at this point, you can actually, I'm done with this video. So when it ends, you can go to the next step or the next thing. For the students that weren't here, you do need to watch the next slide, the next video, because that is actually the book that we read together in class the week before break. So it would be great for all of you to watch the video of that book, Getting to Know the World's Greatest Artist, Pablo Picasso, because it's been a couple weeks since we read the book. So I do want all of you guys to read it. Some of you will be a review. Some of you, it will be brand new. And then you'll go on to the next slide after that's done for the next video. So we'll see you in a moment.